What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a C program to print Armstrong numbers up to 1000, and can check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. Armstrong number means, sum of cube of its digits is equal to number. So, let's code it. Here, I'm using an automated voice to make tutorials. I just fast forward the coding, so that you don't get bored. Now you can also download code from link given in description box. In here, I created two choices. First choice is to print Armstrong numbers up to 1000. Second choice is to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. As coding is finished, press Alt plus F9 to compile the code. If there is any error in your code, debug it first and then compile it again. After debugging, press Ctrl plus F9 to run. Here you enter your choice, to print Armstrong number up to 1000. Or check whether a number is Armstrong or not. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please hit the like button, and also do subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Till keep calm and keep learning.